Mongolian chemist, mineralogist and journalist Gongor Zhao has opened an exhibition, Stone Patterns to or Writings of Stones, displaying his stone collection on December 26th. Mr. Gongor Zhao has a rich collection of rare and unique stones collected over half a century from all over Mongolia during his extensive travel. Stones having figures on it like Cyrillic and Latin alphabet letters, various animals in Mongolia, symbols related to nomadic culture, as well as things that could be called extraterrestrial were displayed in the exhibition. Over 30 stones precisely reflecting some words and symbols from scripts of Armenian, Jewish, Hunnu, Olgar, Sogd, Turek, Arabian and Chinese, as well as artworks created by nature are on display. The exhibition is being organized by Mongol Sultan Sondor Mongol Pearl Bead Project together with the National Museum of History. The exhibition will be open until January 8, 2018 in the National Museum of History.